Hello everyone! Today I'm share some simple daily life actions in English. These easy and useful sentences will help you improve your speaking and vocabulary. Let's begin. I put on my shoes. I go for a walk. I iron the shirt. I fold the clothes. I knead the dough. I roll the dough. I wipe the counter. I hang the clothes. I drain the pasta. I spread the butter. I pour some water. I dice the vegetables. I set the table.
I crack the eggs. I squeeze the lemon.
I wipe my mouth.
I wash my hands.
I flip the pancake. I serve the soup.
I bake the cookies.
I grate the cheese. I wash an apple. I drink water. I tie my shoes. I walk up the stairs. I water the plants. I roll the dough. I take a short break. Thank you for watching. I hope these daily routine sentences help you practice English every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. See you in the next video.